it is most different in a way na, yun nga, merong kaming, it's a vegetable town of Pangasinan. Not only in Pangasinan, but the whole region. Dahil kami ang highest producer ng talong. So that makes us different. And pangalawa, siyempre, I'm most proud of because yung mga buildings, the infrastructure na nakikita nyo ngayon, patayo ito from the proceeds ng aming fiesta na sa tingin ko, hindi yun nagawa ng mga ibang bayan. Like for example, itong kinakatayo natin, the municipal building, yan, yung auditorium, yan, SB. Lahat, halos, yung ating yung overpass. All of this came from the proceeds of town fiesta. So, nagiging sources natin yung fiesta, hindi nagiging spending para sa amin dahil nga nakakalikom tayo ng salapi, tulong-tulong lahat. At importante kasi yan, nakikita nila kung saan pumupunta yung pera, kaya everybody is willing to contribute. Yon ang sikreto nun, transparency. Kayang-kaya kung sama-sama. So that means na siyempre, all of these things naman, hindi ko naman magagawa by me alone. It should be concerted effort. In terms of tourism, kasi nasa inland kami kasi. So most possibly, yun pa rin. Like for example, yung Talong Festival natin, na now, of course, ginagawa namin yung aming pinagdarausan ng street dancing at saka concert. I would like to invite you this coming fiesta, Talong Festival, January 16 po yan, nagaganapin po sa aming open field dito sa aming gymnasium. At I'm sure that you will not regret coming again because we will make this fiesta, this Talong Festival, one of the most memorable, unforgettable events sa aming Talong Festival. Kayang-kaya kung sama-sama.